Today we are going to start with the chapter Polynomials. So let us begin. Here is our first question. The sum and product of zeros of a quadratic polynomial are minus half and half respectively. Then the polynomial is. So to answer this question, let us recall the concept we had learned. When we have given with the zeros of the quadratic polynomial alpha and beta, we can write the quadratic polynomial using the formula here. That is x squared minus alpha plus beta, which is sum of zeros, into x plus alpha beta, that is product of zeros. So let us list out what is given to us, and based on that, let us write the quadratic polynomial. We have given with alpha plus beta, which is the sum of zeros, that is equal to minus half. Also, we have given with the product of zeros, alpha into beta, which is equal to half. Therefore, we can write the quadratic polynomial using this formula. We have x squared minus in the bracket alpha plus beta. So be careful here because in the formula itself we have the negative sign, as well as sum of zeros is also given with the negative sign. Therefore minus into minus half into x plus alpha beta, that is half. And since they have given that the zeros of the polynomial, we can equate the polynomial to 0. Therefore, this becomes x squared minus into minus plus half x plus half, that is equal to 0. So, when we take the LCM here, this can be rewritten as 2 in the denominator, and in the numerator it becomes 2x squared plus 1x plus 1, that is equal to 0. Or this implies that 2x squared plus 1x plus 1, that is equal to 0 into 2. When I can take this 2 to the other side, it becomes 0 into 2. Therefore, the answer is 2x squared plus 1x plus 1, that is equal to 0 into 2, which is equal to 0. So, this is the quadratic equation. Therefore, quadratic polynomial is equal to 2x squared plus 1x plus 1. Therefore, the answer is answer A, 2x squared plus x plus 1. We'll move on to the next question. So, here we have given with the polynomial p of x, that is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 2, and they're asking us to find the p of 3 plus p of 2 plus p of 0. So if you remember, what are this? These are the value of the polynomial p of x at x is equal to 3, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 0. Let us just recall what we learned. So we had learned that if p of x is a polynomial in x and if k is a real number, then value obtained by replacing k in p of x is called value of p of x at x is equal to k, and it is denoted by p of k. So here we have given with p of 3 plus p of 2 plus p of 0. Therefore, let us find them one by one to get the answer. So first, p of 3, that is equal to, we have to substitute 3 in the given polynomial. So 3 squared plus 5 into 3 plus 2. Therefore, this becomes 3 squared, 3 into 3, which is equal to 9, plus 5 3s are 15 plus 2. So this becomes 26. Now next P of 2 that is equal to 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 2 that is equal to 4 plus 10 plus 2 which is equal to 16. The last one we have P of 0 that is equal to 0 square plus 5 into 0 plus 2 that is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 2 which is equal to 2. Now to get the answer for the given question we have to add P of 3, P of 2 and P of 0. So this gives me the answer 44. 26 plus 16 plus 2. This gives me 44. Therefore, the answer is answer B 44. We'll move on to the next question. The question is the polynomial whose zeros are -5 and 4. So here they have given the zeros to us and they have asked to write the polynomial. So to write the polynomial, first we have to write what is sum of zeros and what is product of zeros, because we have the formula that is when alpha and beta, which is zeros of the polynomial, are given, we can write the quadratic polynomial using this formula, that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Therefore, alpha plus beta here is -5 plus 4 that is equal to -1, and alpha into beta that is equal to -5 into 4 which is equal to -20. Therefore, we can write the quadratic polynomial here using the form whatever we have. X square minus alpha plus beta that is equal to -1 into x plus alpha beta that is -20. So when we rewrite this one, we'll get the answer as x square plus 1x plus into minus gives us -20. Therefore, the answer is option C, x square minus x minus 20. We'll move on to the next question. Here we have given with a graph and they're asking us to write the zeros of the polynomial. So they have given the graph of y is equal to p of x and they asked us to write the total number of zeros of p of x. Let us recall what we had learned. So here, when the graph of y is equal to p of x is given, the number of zeros of p of x, which is equal to the number of times the curve intersects x-axis. So to answer this question, we have to see how many times the curve is intersecting x-axis. So if you observe here, here is the one, here is the second point, here is the third point. So the curve is intersecting x-axis at 3 points. It doesn't matter whether it is positive side or whether it is negative side. Therefore, the curve is intersecting the x-axis 3 times and the answer is answer D over here. Let us move on to the next question. The question is the product and sum of zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c respectively are. So observe here that they are just asking us to write the product and sum of zeros. So let us recall what we had learned. When we have given with the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, we can write the sum of zeros using the relation between zeros of the polynomial and the coefficients of the polynomial. Therefore, alpha plus beta that is equal to minus b by a as well as product of zeros alpha beta that is equal to C by A. Therefore, if you choose the answer A, which is minus B by A and C by A, it is wrong. Why? Because they have given us to write the product and sum of zeros respectively. Therefore, first we have to write the product and then we have to write the sum. Therefore, which is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D, that is C by A, comma minus B by A. So students, be careful when you are reading the question. See what they have asked and choose the answer based on the question. Keep watching, keep learning. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.